Making money with CPA marketing just by promoting your CPA marketing offers on this platform called Sproutgigs is actually quite easy, but there are some few mistakes a lot of people go on to making right there that makes them not to go on to getting any sales right now or any conversions to their CPA marketing offers, which is why I'm going to show you the exact and appropriate way which you actually need to go on to doing to promote your offers on Sproutgigs. And guys, I'm also going to show you the mistakes which a lot of people actually go on to making promoting their offers on Sproutgigs right here. So stick on with me as we dive right into the strategy right now to make money with Sproutgigs promoting our CPA marketing offers. Now, if you already know Sproutgigs right here, Sproutgigs was formerly known as the website Pico Workers, but right now guys, they are known as Sproutgigs, and this is a platform whereby connects marketplace. It's a marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do and affordable tasks. So a lot of people actually come right here to give people tasks to do and pay them some cool cash, and a lot of people also come right here to the platform to go on to doing some simple tasks and earn some cool money right here. So you can actually sign up to the platform Pico Workers by clicking on this sign up option right here. If you click on sign up, you will be brought to this page where you can provide your basic details right now for actually registering to the platform. You can either sign up as a worker or as an employer, but that doesn't really matter because you can interchangeably switch from worker to employer or from employer to worker anytime you do want right now. Once your account has been created, it is quite easy to do that. You can also go on to agree to the terms of service before generating an account right now. Now, you may want to just simply take note that once you log into an account, you'll be brought to a page similar to this. You want to also take note, guys, that whenever you are actually utilizing a platform to promote CPA marketing offers or to drive traffic to some offers, you need to take note of where that particular platform gets most of its traffic from. And if you analyze the Sproutgigs website based on similar web statistics, you actually do find out that the platform gets lots of traffic, which is about 1.7 million visits right now in the last 28 days. That's a huge amount of traffic, quite alright. But you also need to know where it gets most of its traffic from, the demographic of which its traffic comes from the most, which is why you want to scroll down to the bottom section, and you can see that these are the top countries that visit the website right now. The first country right here is Egypt, that has 18% of this website's traffic. Indonesia has 16%, Sri Lanka 13%, Brazil 7%, Algeria 4%. So with this knowledge right now, guys, it is quite important for you to promote offers to one of these countries, which you can actually do see right here on this particular section. So if you're promoting offers to one of these countries, meaning that, guys, you are actually going to get higher percentage of or probability of getting completion to your offers right there. So maybe I want to promote my offers to the Egyptian demographic right now. I'm just going to go into my CPA marketing platform, create an account if you don't have one, then log into your account. So as you can see right now, I'm logged into my account, and you want to come onto a page that looks similar to this or this particular page by coming onto the offer tools option. Click on that. A drop down list to be shown to you. Select my offers, and you want to filter your offers to get offers from the Egyptian demographic. So I'm just going to come right here and type in Egypt. So if I do select Egypt right now, I will be able to see offers available to that demographic once the page loads up, and you can filter offers based on payout. If I select this particular offer, which is actually kind of having a little payout right here, but you just need to, let me just show you how to do this. So if I select the offer, since I don't actually speak the Arabian language right now or speak Arabic, I'm just going to copy this particular title, head on to the Google translator. So I'm just going to come right here and type in translator. So if I do type in translate to Google or utilize the Google translator right now, I'm just going to go on to pasting that particular text, and it's actually going to go on to detecting language right now. So if I click on detect language, you can see that this is actually in Arabic. It was actually going to detect that and convert that to English. You can see right here it says get your own iPhone 14 Pro, enter your mobile phone number now for a chance to win. So once this has actually been translated, you actually know what this offer is all about. So you can then go on to promoting the offer right now. So if I head back to this particular platform, grabbing the link to the offer, you can create simple landing pages with platforms like Systemi.io or Webflow right now, which can actually help you create a professional looking landing page right now. You could also utilize platforms like GetResponse to do so right now. So I have a lot of videos on my channel that easily showed you how to create landing pages with such platforms. head on to my channel OJ Marketing, click on the search icon and just simply go on to type in a landing page. If you do type in landing page and click on enter right now, it's gonna just simply show you some cool videos I created for you right now. So check out these videos. They show you how to easily create landing pages with such platforms and just simply create a cool high converting landing page right now to promote your offers. Now if you're actually doing this simple strategy, it is quite important that you select multiple CPA marketing offers and promote that with your landing page right now. Now once you've created a landing page, head on to Sproutgigs right here. After logging into your account, maybe if you want to utilize the free method, switch your account to the freelancer option right now, and you could just simply come onto this micro job section, click on find jobs, and if you do click on find jobs, you are going to be able to see a lot of cool micro tasks you can do to earn some cool cash. So take a look at this offer. You just need to complete an offer, watch a video for 5 seconds, and you get paid $2.05 or 50 cents right now. So if you keep on scrolling through, you can see a lot of cool offers you could easily go into doing and earning some cool cash right here. You can see this offer pays you $3 for you to subscribe to their YouTube channel right now, and you get going to earning $3 right here. So these are actually cool offers you could go on to completing to get some cool cash that you can utilize to list your offers among one of these. Now to do so right now, if you do have some money, you can fund your account via clicking on this particular profile section. You could go on to checking out the profile or account setting or the workers ranking, or you could just simply fund your account right there in your profile section. Then you could switch back your account to the buyer account. If you switch that back, come right into this section that says micro job, click on post job right now. If you do click on post job, you want to select the location to which you want to drive traffic to, and since that particular demographic, which is Egypt, is in Africa, I'm going to select Africa and select all countries you want to exclude from the selected zone. So I'm going to select all countries except Egypt right now. So if I do select all countries except Egypt and click on apply and go to next, I'm just going to select kind of offer. Since I go back to that offer, this offer is a simple pin submit offer. They just simply have to submit their phone number. I'm just going to select something quite similar to that. Maybe I'm just going to go on to selecting the simple sign up right here, and if I do come right here, select the simple sign up as a category, and I'm just going to click on apply and go to next. For the job title, you want to give this a simple job title. Maybe I can put it something like simple sign up, but make sure you put in something that actually resonates with that particular offer. You could actually go on to add in some cool steps right now. Now in these steps right here, it's quite important that after drafting the step, you're going to converting that to the Arabic language for people in Egypt to actually understand that. So you can see the step right here says click the link, and step 2 says complete survey by submitting your mobile phone number. You can add more steps, but right now guys, since that particular demographic does not speak English, I'm going to convert this to Arabic by going onto the Google Translator right now, and I'm just going to translate this or convert this to Arabic right now. And if I do go into selecting that particular language, which is Arabic, I'm just going to convert the English to Arabic. Maybe I'm going to click on English right now. I'm going to highlight the text, paste in the new text, and convert this to Arabic. You can see right here, this is the conversion right now. Copy that, head back to this particular platform, and just simply paste that in right here. So you want to do the same thing or similar thing for this right now. So this is an error which people actually go on to making right here. They don't actually go on to considering the country's language right now. So once you actually do all this right now, I'm just going to go back to Sproutgigs and actually paste that right now. You can actually do the same thing for this right here, which is the title. I'm going to head back to the platform and do something similar. And once I'm actually done with all this right here, you can actually do that. Now for this section, you want to scroll through, select the type of proof which you actually want. I'm going to select the screenshot proof, and right here I'm just going to put in something like screenshot survey completion page. So I'm going to highlight this, copy this, go on to translating this right now to Arabic. So if I do translate this right now, copy the translation, head back to this particular platform and paste that in right now. If you need multiple proof, you can do that right now. So once you're done, just simply click on apply and go to next, and you can actually select the amount of workers which you actually need for this job. Now if I need about 250 people, I can select that, but just know that that will actually go on to influencing the amount which you're actually going to be paying to promote that. Now you can see the amount which each worker will earn from that particular CPA marketing offer. You can see that you're going to be earning 34 cents right now, but you can actually go on to giving them a single cent right now, or a 10 cent right here, to actually go on to becoming generous, so as to actually ensure that people complete your offers. So once you do that, guys, you just need to go on to depositing funds to your account and actually go on to running this right here. As you can see, you can go on to checking out the time rates, or the time to time rate, the startup time, the end time right here, and you could just simply go on to applying and go to next, then submit this right here to actually go on to funding or to promoting your offers right here. So these are actually easy things which you need to consider when promoting offers on the platform called Sproutgigs in order for you to make money with CPA marketing. And I do hope the video was helpful. If yes, make sure you hit the like button to the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.